How to save Instagram Reels to camera roll. This method works for both newly recorded and already published Reels. First, open the Instagram app and create a new Reel. Record a short video as an example. Once the video is captured, you will see a download icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and the video will be saved to your gallery. You can now check your gallery and you will see that the Reel has been successfully saved. If you want Instagram to automatically save your recorded Reels to your camera roll every time, you can enable this option in the settings. Open Instagram and start creating a new Reel. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. In the settings menu, tap on Reels. Here, you will see an option called Save Reels to Device. Enable this option, and from now on, every Reel you record will automatically be saved to your camera roll. Now let's see how to save an already published or uploaded Reel to your camera roll. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Select the Reels tab and tap on the Reel you want to save. Tap on the share icon and then tap on Download. The Reel, along with its audio, will be saved to your gallery.